Hi, this short tutorial is going to show you how to reset your ctcLink password. In order to do that, you need to have your ctcLink ID and also know what were the security questions that you chose when you activated your account. So you're going to go to the gateway ctcLink.us, open a browser, and the link is here in the description of this video. And then here you type your ctcLink ID. So then you're going to click here for password help. So when I go back to this screen here, you have here password help, and that's where you're going to click. So you click on password help, and then you're going to have this option reset password. So then you go here, you add again your ctcLink ID, and then you select the desired method to reset your password via text message, via voice, or via email. So follow the instructions sent to your desired method of communication, that was text, voice, call, or email. The password reset instructions are sent to your phone number or email address that you have set when you activated your ctcLink account. So here you're going to receive a message that you requested a password change. So this is an example of the email that you're going to receive. New password is ready. So your password will be reset right away, and you may log back into ctcLink account. Make sure to make a note or take a picture of the screen when you reset your password so you remember. So go back, go to that link down here in the description and try to log in. If you have any questions or further or you need further assistance, please contact the service desk at this address. Thank you for watching.